Hello guys, welcome. Today we're on Hellcase. We got $400 deposit. We're gonna be giving that away. But before we start doing that, I want you guys to go on over to promo code. And if you type in my channel's name right here, which is Skoma, and click apply, get a 10% deposit bonus and get to support my channel a bit. So please go ahead and do that. And with that out of the way, let's get right in. Let's go on over to case battles, of course. Let's create a battle. As always, let's add some cases. Nothing strange. Nils Legend. Okay. This is the hot stuff. Let's just get, yeah, 5. 5 will do. 2 people, create the battle, and see what happens. Okay, we got Ryan. I got Ryan today. Alright, let's see. First one. Not very good. Not very good. But don't worry. Because this ain't gonna be so well either. Alright. That's okay. Let's see the next one. Okay, that is pretty shit. Oh, $40. Not enough though. Not quite enough. Oh, 80. And we just lost. So, yeah. See what happens? You lose. Alright, let's create the same battle. Let's create the same battle because, you know, I didn't have enough. I got Brian this time. Alright, let's see. Let's see how you roll, Brian. Yeah, Brian. Okay. First roll, not very good. Once more. But it's okay, because look at this. $15. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we got. Yeah, we're $2.50 behind, and he. Okay, he doesn't hit it. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised. Last one, and we lose once more. All right. Kind of a bummer. So 150 down the drain. Let's go back. Let's just take it a bit chill this time. And by chill I mean nightlife. Of course. What else could it be? Let's get more. 7. $63. Okay. I'm good with that. Let's play with a bot. Irvin, that's a weird name. Alright, let's see. Okay. Not a great one. Okay. I've seen better days. At least we're winning. Okay. I'm keeping that streak for now. For now. Okay. Just 20 cents till he catches up, and there it is. Now it's $6 difference. Please let me hit something crazy. Like, look at this. We are. Yep. That's knife life for you there. No knives. All right. What could be our good savior? I don't know. Let's just mix it up. Let's go these. Let's just get some Supremes. Yeah, we mix it up quite a bit. We got $110 more, so okay, pretty good. Look at the knife live as well, because we just haven't had enough. Esports. Oh, not enough. So let's just go for something in the lower side. And 4Ks, yep. I think I'm down for it. And let's go. This is gonna be a long ass battle. But surely we won this time. Surely. Oh, somebody joined. Amp Hearts Dot Zil Amp Hearts. Okay. Gotcha, bro. Alright. Let's see. Start off with $12. This was, make no mistake. Oh, well, that is good. That is good. Okay. Daddy's working. Daddy's working. Alright. Daddy's still working. Daddy working his magic. Okay. We're making bank right here. I mean, surely he doesn't need a single shit from these. Like, look at those, man. Like, no way. No way. Kind of scared though. I just lost so much. Okay. It is going pretty well so far. And by well, I mean he didn't hit a single shit. So, that is good. It's a good feeling to win. Alright? Good so far. Good so far. Okay. We got 5 more cases. But shitty ass ones, I guess. Alright. Okay. 180. Going good and strong. Okay. And I think we just made a lot of our balance back. So it is good. Life's good. It's almost $300. It's good. Trust me. $291. Alright. Let's just take that straight to upgrade. And we got a lot of garbage for you. Holy shit, you couldn't even imagine. Okay, $36. I do not care. I mean, I care if I get it, but it's not gonna happen. Okay, I'm not gambling those yet. We have to deal with these first. Oh, $88. Okay, that is enough. Imagine if we get it though. Imagine. Let's try it. Oh, and we got it. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm not doing more upgrades after that. Yep. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did. It was session had its ups and downs, but ups. Holy shit. Yep. Don't forget to use my code right here for that 10%, and you know, you get to support me. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.